Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Redmi is updated. This prevents missing options. Once done, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu or settings gear to reach call screen controls. You should back up your current theme or preset before changing anything so you can revert if needed. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted, because the call screen editor needs access to contacts and storage. Now, proceed to the call screen or caller ID section to load customization tools. Once in the call screen editor, choose a style or tap Create New to start customizing. You can set a live wallpaper, short video, static image, or a color gradient. Pick one and crop or loop it as needed. Next, assign per contact screens if you prefer personalized displays, or apply changes as the global default for all incoming calls. Make sure to preview the animation and check audio or vibration behavior so the visual change doesn't interfere with usability. After saving your new call screen, immediately test by placing a call to your number or asking someone to call. This verifies appearance and timing. If the change doesn't show, clear the phone app cache, check permissions again, and restart the phone to force the UI refresh. If problems persist, restore your backup or reset the call screen settings to default and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: uninstall recent theme or launcher apps that may override MIUI call screen behavior before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.